In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more credits in PixVerse AI. Whether you're using the free plan or aiming to unlock faster generations and premium features, I'll cover every possible way to top up your credits. When you first sign up, you get 90 initial credits, along with 30 daily credits that refresh every day at midnight. But there's one thing to remember. If you don't use those daily credits, they expire at the end of the day, so make sure to log in regularly and claim them. Apart from the daily credits, PixVerse also offers several free ways to earn more. Inside the Earn Credits section, PixVerse has a referral program where you can invite friends using your unique link. When they sign up, you start earning referral bonuses: 50 credits for your first friend, 110 credits when 3 friends join, and up to 140 credits when 5 friends sign up. On top of that, you can complete different actions to get extra credits. For example, you can watch up to 2 short ads daily and earn 30 credits for each ad, download the PixVerse app once to instantly get 30 bonus credits, rate the app for another 30 credits, and even customize your profile to grab an additional 10 credits. It's an easy way to collect extra credits without spending a dime. If you want a more consistent flow of credits or need higher limits for video generation, PixVerse offers paid subscription plans. The standard plan starts at $10 per month and gives you 1,200 credits monthly, watermark-free downloads, and unlimited template access with HD resolution up to 720p. The Pro plan costs $30 per month and comes with 6,000 credits monthly, 1080p output, and 30% extra credits on every credit pack purchase. If you need even more, the Premium plan is $60 per month and gives you a massive 15,000 credits monthly, 8 concurrent generations, and 50% extra credits on every credit pack purchase. Now here's a pro tip. If you opt for the yearly plans, you can save up to 36% on your subscription. That brings the standard plan down to around $7.20 per month billed annually, the Pro plan to about $20.40 per month, and the Premium plan to roughly $38.40 per month. It's a great option if you're planning to use PixVerse regularly, as it significantly cuts down your monthly costs. For those who don't want a monthly subscription, PixVerse also offers credit packs that you can purchase anytime. The options range from 500 credits for $5, 2,000 credits for $20, 5,000 credits for $50, and up to 10,000 credits for $100. These purchase credits never expire, so you can stock up and use them whenever you need. So that's all. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.